What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Bitcoin, guys. It's currently breaking out of a key level of resistance. We're sitting at 47,900. We're up almost 6% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 900.27 billion. 24-hour volume is 34.68 billion. So let's hop into it, guys. We're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So we came up and we reached our technical target. And right now we are breaking out from 47555, which is the golden ratio. And we're just getting very, very close to breaking our previous high. Now, what we can do here to give us some price targets is take our Fibonacci here from our previous swing high down to our swing low. And you can see we're coming up to test that high once again. Once we break through that, guys, your next targets are up here at about 49,370, and then you have the 1.618, which is up at about 50K, which is very close to that level of resistance that I've dropped in for you guys. As you can see here, I'm gonna scroll out a little bit. Let me open this up just so it's more visible for you guys. Hope you guys are well. Hope the pets are doing healthy. So we can see where these wicks came down to. I think that would act as your next level of resistance in between about 50 to 51,000 here. So it's very, very bullish for us to be seeing this breakout here. I'm going to pop over to the daily time frame. So there is one thing to keep an eye on the daily, and that is this bearish divergence. Now, divergences can take time to play out. However, you can see here we are creating higher highs and we are creating lower highs on the RSI. And if we do look at our breakout here, since we started this breakout, we are seeing a decrease in volume here. So do keep an eye on that, because eventually this bearish divergence, unless the RSI comes up and breaks this previous high, those bearish divergences can play out to the downside. All right, guys, but beautiful to see us breaking above 47,555. We're currently at 48K. Wow, guys, absolutely incredible. It looks like we're setting a new high. Yeah, we just broke our previous high, which is extremely bullish, guys. So we came down and we bounced off the 20 EMA exactly as I predicted. Now, I had predicted a bit of a further correction for ADA due to some divergences here. We had a bearish divergence on the hourly, and we also have a bearish divergence on the daily for ADA. So do keep an eye on that. You can see the price is just skyrocketing, but we created a high, we created a higher high, a lower high in the RSI. So do keep an eye on that with ADA. We may not correct down. I had dropped in $1.24, but what may happen for ADA is that we just come down and we back test $2.45. But those divergences, they can take time to play out, but we are still seeing a bit of decrease in volume here for ADA. And if we look on the daily, we are extremely overextended from the 20 EMA here. So if we do correct, you can target 235 and 245 as levels of support. But this video is for Bitcoin here. So your future price targets are in between 50 and 51,000, your next levels of resistance. And then we have the 0.786 up here at 54K for Bitcoin. If we do see some rollover here, I'll pop back to the hourly chart. What we could see is that we come back and we back test the golden ratio at support at a 47,479 if we do see a little bit of correction here and rollover. But as of right now, we are seeing some nice green candles here, so keep an eye on 50K, your next levels of resistance in between 50 and 51K. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on social, check out the Discord, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.